Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to log out or sign out of Chipotle.com account. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive in straight into the video. Make sure that you're inside the main homepage of Chipotle.com after you are logged in. And from the main homepage, go ahead and click on your profile picture, which should appear at the top right hand corner. You will then be able to see this page where you'll need to go ahead and scroll all the way down and click on the sign out button. Once you click sign out, you will be redirected to the main homepage for Chipotle.com, and hence you have been logged out of it. So that is how easy it is to log out or sign out of Chipotle. If you ever want to sign in back again to the account, you'll need to visit the official website and click on the sign in or the join button and enter your credentials to log in back on your account. So that is how you can easily log out of Chipotle. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.